Okay, so can you tell me in number 2, that top problem, where are you starting? Hopefully you're starting at the origin, at 0, 0. And then up 1 over 1. So again, lots of points here, right, guys? Lots of points. Solid or dashed? Solid. Am I going to shade above or below? I kind of want a different color. There we go. Below, because it was less than. Okay, second line. Is it ready to go? Where am I going to start? And where am I going to go? Derek, are we okay with where to start and where to go? Okay, so are you good with y equals mx plus b form? Okay, so remember, if it's y equals mx plus b, this b number is where you start. So in this case, it's going to be at -3, and it's always on the y-axis. So that's why we started down here at -3. This number right here is your slope. That tells you where to go. So there would be a 1 in front of this x, wouldn't there? And if there's a 1 in front of there, can I make it 1 over 1 without really changing anything about it? So I'm going to go up 1, and then we always go to the right, whatever the bottom number is. So up 1, right 1, all the way out. And then once I get to the edge, then I come back here and just go the opposite way, down 1, back 1. Folks, is this thing going to be solid or dashed? Dashed. And am I going to shade above or below? Above. Derek, are we okay with shading above and below, what the difference is, or no? Yes, so here's my green line right here. So I shaded below it with the green, is that okay? So now here's my blue line and says that's a greater than, so I'm going to shade above it. Now my final answer is going to be where they overlap. So where do they overlap, guys? Right down the middle. You guys see that lane right down the middle?